Mathematics class 11 chapter 7 permutations and combinations. In the last class we have studied exercise 7.3. Today we shall study exercise 7.4. Question number 1. If NC8 equal to NC2, find NC2. We are given NC8 equal to NC2. This can be written as NC8 equal to NCn minus 2. We can compare 8 equal to NC2. Minus 2 transfer over here, so 8 plus 2 equal to n. 8 plus 2 is 10, so n value is 10. Now we found the n value, put here, that is 10C2 equal to, the formula for NCR is n factorial divided by r factorial into n minus r factorial. So here n is 10, so 10 factorial divided by r, that is 2 factorial into n minus 2, that n minus r, that is 10 minus 2 factorial. So here 2 factorial I can write as 2 into 1 and 10 minus 2 as 8 factorial. 10 factorial is 10 into 9 into 8 factorial. 8 factorial cut. This 10 you can cut by 2, so you get here 5 into 9, which gives you 45. So that is solution for question number 1. Question number 2. Determine n if number 1 2nc3 is to nc3 equal to 12 is to 1, and part 2 is 2nc3 is to nc3 equal to 11 is to 1. So for question number 2 in part 1 we are given 2nc3 is to nc2 equal to 12 is to 1. Now we apply the formula NCR and write for this as 2n factorial divided by, here r is 3, so 3 factorial into 2n minus 3 factorial into, this is divide by, so I am taking the reciprocal because it is a ratio. So when you take reciprocal, the formula is n factorial divided by 2 factorial into n minus 2 factorial, that will go in the numerator. So this n factorial which is in the denominator, that is 2 factorial into n minus 2 factorial. Since it is a ratio, it will come the, when you multiply it, it will come the reciprocal. Here 12 by 1. Now 2n factorial I can write as 2n minus 1, 2n minus 2 into 2n minus 3 factorial. 3 factorial is written as 3 into 2 factorial. This 2n minus 3 factorial as it is, into 2 factorial as it is, n minus 2 factorial as it is. This n factorial I can write as n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial equal to 12 by 1, that is 12. Now here these 2 factorial and these 2 factorial you can cancel. Okay, then 2n minus 3 factorial, 2n minus 3 factorial you can cancel. N minus 2 factorial, n minus 2 factorial you can cancel. So here remains 2n minus 1. From here I am taking 2 common, so here you get n minus 1. This is already cut, this is cut, this is cut, and the denominator 3, and here n and n minus 1 equal to 12. Now again you can cut n minus 1 from here, and this n also you can cut. So here 2 into 2, that is 4. Here remains 2n minus 1. Here in the denominator only 3 remains, and this is 12. Now if you transfer these 3 over here, it will go in the numerator, and this 4 if you transfer, it will go in the denominator, and this side remains 2n minus 1. So here when you cut 12 by 4, you get 3. 3 into 3 is 9. So 2n minus 1 equal to 9. Minus 1 transfer here. So 2n equal to 9 plus 1, which is 10. So 10 and this 2n is there. So 2 if you transfer, it will go in the denominator. So n equal to 10 by 2 equal to 5. So that is part 1 of question number 2. Part 2, we have question already read. It is given that 2nc3 is to nc3 equal to 11 is to 1. We have to find the value of n. So this, by using the formula 2n factorial divided by 3 factorial into 2n minus 3 factorial into nc3. This also we use the same formula, so it is n factorial divided by 3 factorial into n minus 3 factorial, that is in the denominator, it will go in the numerator because it is a ratio here, and equal to 11 by 1. This I can write as 2n minus 1, 2n minus 2, 2n minus 3 factorial into n minus 3 factorial. I am keeping just as it is. This 3 factorial and this 3 factorial you can just cancel out. So here remains denominator 2n minus 3 factorial. This n factorial I can write as n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 factorial equal to 11. Now let us cut what is common. So here 2n minus 3, 2n minus 3 factorial will cancel, n minus 3 factorial will cancel, and here remains 11. So let us write here, what remains here is 2n, here 2n minus 1, 2n minus 2, from there 2 is taken, so n minus 1. And in the denominator remains n minus 1 and n minus 2 equal to 11. 2 into 2 is 4. This n and this n cancel, n minus 1 cancel, so here remains 2n minus 1 and denominator n minus 2 equal to 11. This you transfer over here, so and this 4 you multiply inside, so 4 into 2 8n, minus 4 equal to 11 into n minus 2. This you multiply inside, you get 11n minus 22. Now I'm going to transfer this 8n over here. So 11n minus 8n equal to this 22 minus 22 transfer over here. So it is 22 minus 4. Okay, just simplify and rearrange n terms together and constant term together without the n. So here 11n minus 8n will give you 3n and 22 minus 4 will give you 18. Okay, divide by 3, so you get n value as 6. So that is the solution for question number 2, part 2. Question number 3. How many chords can be drawn through 21 points on a circle? There are 21 points on the circumference of a circle. Since one and only one chord can be drawn by joining two distinct points, therefore required number of chords will be 21C2. Okay, out of 21 points are there, but to draw a chord you require 2 points, so 21C2. So this formula we know, n factorial divided by r into n minus r factorial. Okay, so 21 factorial divided by r factorial, that is 2 factorial, into 21 minus 2 factorial equal to 2 factorial can be written as 2 into 1 and 21 minus 2, that gives you 19 factorial. 21 factorial I can write as 21 into 20 into 19 factorial. 19 factorial cut, you can cut this 10 by 2, so 20 by 2, so you get here 10. 21 into 10 will give you 210. So that is solution for question number 3. Question number 4. In how many ways can a team of 3 boys and 3 girls be selected from 5 boys and 4 girls? There are 5 boys and 4 girls, and 3 out of 5 boys and 3 out of 4 girls have to be selected. Therefore, number of ways of selection will be equal to 5C3 into 4C3. The formula for this is 5 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 5 minus 3 factorial. Into, for this the formula is 4 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 4 minus 3 factorial. Then here 3 factorial as it is, 5 minus 3 factorial is 2 factorial. 5 factorial can be written as 5 into 4 into 3 factorial. This 3 factorial you can cut. Okay, this 2 factorial is 2 into 1. So that 2 you can cut with this 4. So you get here 2. And into 4 factorial can be written as 4 into 3 factorial. 3 factorial as it is, and 4 minus 3 is 1 factorial, that is 1 value. Okay, so what you get here is when you cut it, this 3 cut. Okay, this cut 2 into 4 you cut, so you get here 5 into 2. Okay, when you cut 4 by 2 you get here 2, so 5 into 2, and here remains 4, which gives you 40. So that is solution for question number 4. Question number 5. Find the number of ways of selecting 9 balls from 6 red balls, 5 white balls and 5 blue balls if each selection consists of 3 balls of each color. There are 6 red balls, 5 white balls and 5 blue balls. 3 balls of each color have to be found. Therefore, number of ways of selection will be 6C3 from the 6 red ball into 5 white ball, that is 5C3, into 5 blue balls, that is 5C3. This by formula it is 6 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 6 minus 3, that is 3 factorial, into 5 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 5 minus 3, that is 2 factorial, into, for this 5 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 5 minus 3, that is 2 factorial. If you simplify, what you get is 20 into 10, which gives you 2000. Question number 6. Determine the number of 5 card combinations out of a deck of 52 cards if there is exactly 1 X in each combination. There are 4 X and 48 other cards in a deck of 52 cards. We have to select 1 X out of 4 X's and 4 other cards out of 48 cards. Therefore, number of ways of selection will be 4C1 into 48C4. This gives you 4 factorial divided by 1 factorial into 4 minus 1, that is 3 factorial, into 48 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 48 minus 4, that is 44 factorial. So now this 4 factorial can be written as 4 into 3 factorial. 48 factorial I can write as 48 into 47 into 46 into 45 into 44 factorial, divide by 3 factorial. 1 factorial is 1. 4 factorials can be written as 4 into 3 into 3, 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, into 44 factorial. Okay, this 44 factorial cancel, 3 factorial cancel, Remaining, if you multiply, you get the value as 7,78,322. Sorry, 320. 7,78,320. So that is the way of selecting the cars from the deck of 52 cars. Question number 7. In how many ways can one select a cricket team of 11 from 17 players in which only 5 players can bowl if each cricket team of 11 must include exactly 4 bowlers? There are 5 bowlers and 12 other players in a team of 17 players. We have to select 4 bowlers out of 5 and 7 other players out of 12. Therefore, number of ways of selection will be 5C12 into 5C4 into 12C7. Okay, out of 5 4 and out of 12 7. So 5C4 into 12C7. Okay, 5C4 into 12C7. Formula is 5 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 4 minus 5. 5 minus 4, that is 1 factorial. Okay, that is n minus r. So 5 minus 4 is 1 factorial. And for this formula will be 12 factorial divided by 7 factorial into 12 minus 7, that is 5 factorial. So here 5 factorial you can cut. 12 factorial I can write as 12 into 80, 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 factorial. 4 factorial can be written as 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, and 7 factorial as it is. 7 factorial you can cut. Remaining part, this if you cut, okay, if you cut, what if the after cutting, if you simplify, the value will be 5 into 792 and the product will be 3916. Okay, 3960, 3960. Okay, you just this 7 factorial cut and you cut here. See, 4 can be 8 can be cut by 4, so 4 into 8, 4 2s are 8, so these 2 can cut, and 3 and 3 9, right? So remaining, when you multiply, you will get this much value, right? And if you find, the total value will be 3960. Question number 8. A bag contains 5 black and 6 red balls. Determine the number of ways in which 2 black and 3 red balls can be selected. There are 5 black and 6 red balls. We have to select 2 black balls out of 5 black balls and 3 red out of 6 red balls. Therefore, the number of ways of selection will be 5C2 into 6C3, right? Out of 6 3 and out of 5 2. So 5C3 into 6C3. Now 5C2, this formula is 5 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 5 minus 2, that is 3 factorial, into 6 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 6 minus 3, that is 3 factorial. So these 5 factorial can be written as 5 into 4 into 3 factorial. 6 factorial can be written as 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 factorial. 2 factorial is 2 into 1, 3 factorial as it is. This 3 as 3 2 1, 3 into 2 into 1, and 3 factorial as it is. 3 factorial cut, here 3 factorial cut. You can cut 2 into 2, that is this 4. Then 3 and 3, you can cut 3 to 6, and this 3 already we have cancelled here because this is 3 factorial. So when you simplify, you get the value as 200. Okay, so that is the answer for question number 8. Question number 9. In how many ways can a student choose a program of 5 courses if 9 courses are available and 2 specific courses are compulsory for every student? So there are 9 courses and number of courses to be selected are 5, in which 2 specific courses are compulsory. 3 courses out of remaining 7 courses have to be selected. Therefore, number of ways of selection will be 7C3 equal to, the formula is 7 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 7 minus 3, that is 4 factorial. Now these 3 factorial can be written as 3 into 2 into 1, and 4 factorial I just keep as it is. And 7 factorial I can write as 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial. This 4 factorial you cut, then you can cut this 3 into 2 6, cut this 6. So 7 into 5, that is gives you 35. So that is the answer for question number 9. Here we end the exercise 7.4. and I hope you have understood all the questions. Just go through once again by yourself. Thank you very much.